quick video to explain how to adjust the hot water limit that is set in these thermostats, where you're trying to adjust the water temperature and it just never seems to get hot enough. And even if you push the valve all the way over, it just seems that there's more hot water possible, but it doesn't come out. First thing you gotta do is take off this valve. This part here, if you're gonna do it by hand, it's just threaded here, and then the whole handle will come off. Like that. Next, this trim plate just comes right off. When you get that valve off, there's a collar here that acts as a restrictor with a bolt here that's adjustable that'll touch here and stop the turn from going any further into a zone of more hot. Take your Allen wrench, back off this bumper here, and now when you rotate thermostat, you'll have some additional movement, and then your temperature will get nice and hot to whatever level you need it at. You put these pieces back on, same order that they came off. That's how you adjust your hot water thermostat inside your Kohler valve. If this helps you, please subscribe, press like, and tell others. Wish you the best. Thanks.